Hello. In this video, we will understand the issue that happens when we've created one table in the Excel, but when we apply the filter, the table is only showing few of the entries. For example, if we click here, only still serial number 5, the entries are being shown. The reason for this is there's a blank in between. Because of this blank, the Excel will only understand that first 5 entries needs to be part of the table. So in order to address that, first we need to disable the filter and now select the overall table. Once this has been done, we will again click on the filter and now see all the entries are showing here. In fact, column number 2 also, everything is coming up. So this is a simple way in which when we face the issue of filter not showing the overall entry, we need to select the overall table and click on filter and it will start working. Hope this helps. Thank you.